Imagine a world where machines fly, not just in the realm of birds, but in the service of humankind. Welcome to the fascinating evolution of drones. The story begins in the mid-19th century, with Austria deploying balloons for military reconnaissance in 1849. These early efforts in aerial observation were primitive yet groundbreaking. By the turn of the century, Nikola Tesla took a significant leap forward, introducing the first radio-controlled aircraft in 1898. From rudimentary balloon experiments to Tesla's groundbreaking radio-controlled aircraft, the foundation was set for what drones would become. As the world plunged into conflicts, so did the innovation in drone technology. The tumult of the early 20th century, marked by the devastating sprawl of World War I and World War II, became a fertile ground for military advancements, particularly in unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. During World War I, the seeds of drone technology were sown with the creation of the Hewitt-Sperry automatic airplane. This was a rudimentary form of an aerial drone, primarily designed for aerial torpedo delivery. It was one of the first instances where an aircraft was controlled remotely, heralding a new era in military strategy. The development surged during World War II with significant enhancements. The most notable was the Radioplane OQ-2, designed by actor and inventor Reginald Denny. This drone became the first mass-produced UAV in history. Thousands of these units were manufactured for the US military, primarily used for target practice and reconnaissance missions. The wars not only shaped nations but also the trajectory of drone technology, enhancing their roles in combat and reconnaissance. Post-war peace brought about an unexpected acceleration in drone technology. As the world settled into a new era, so too did the uses of unmanned aerial vehicles expand beyond the confines of military operations. The 1970s and 1980s marked a pivotal shift, where technological advancements breathed new life into drone applications. Innovators developed sophisticated control systems that enhanced the stability and efficiency of drones, enabling a broader scope of functionalities. During this transformative period, one notable milestone was Israel's strategic use of unmanned aerial vehicles for real-time surveillance during the 1982 Lebanon War. This operation showcased the potential of drones to provide crucial intelligence without risking human lives, setting a precedent for future military and civilian uses. Furthermore, these advancements spurred interest in various sectors, leading to drones being adapted for environmental monitoring, agriculture, and even filmmaking. As the Cold War drew to a close, the potential for civilian applications of drones became increasingly apparent. The end of the Cold War era saw drones stepping out of shadowy military roles into the light of civilian applications. Turn the calendar to the 21st century and you witness a technological explosion. In these years, the world saw remarkable advancements that propelled the development of drones into a new era. Innovations in GPS technology and digital communications, particularly in the early 2000s, transformed drones from rudimentary flying objects into sophisticated, highly capable machines. It was during this period that the landscape of drone technology was forever changed by the introduction of the Phantom by DJI in 2006. This model was not just another drone, it was the first widely accessible consumer drone, equipped with GPS navigation and capable of high-definition photography. This revolution made drones not only more user-friendly but also vastly more appealing to the general public. As technology advanced, drones became not only tools for military or industrial use but also companions for everyday consumers. The Phantom was just the beginning, paving the way for a future where drones are integral to both our work and leisure, illustrating just how far the technology has soared. Today, drones are not just flying cameras or hobbyist gadgets, they have evolved into sophisticated tools, integral to numerous sectors. In agriculture, drones monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and even plant seeds. This aerial advantage allows farmers to enhance yield and reduce environmental impact. In the realm of disaster management, drones play a critical role. They provide real-time data in emergencies, from forest fires to floods, helping to map disaster zones and locate survivors. This aerial perspective is invaluable for efficient and effective response strategies. The courier and logistics sectors have also embraced drone technology. Drones are transforming delivery services, enabling faster, eco-friendly, and cost-effective parcel transportation, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning are pushing drone capabilities even further. These technologies equip drones with greater autonomy and precision, making them smarter and more adaptable to complex environments. Looking ahead, the potential for drones is boundless. Imagine drones not just on Earth but in space, conducting repairs on satellites or exploring the Martian terrain. From aiding farmers to potentially exploring Mars, drones continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we've seen, the journey of drones from simple balloons to intelligent machines is nothing short of remarkable. It began with their early military applications, serving as eyes in the sky during conflicts. This evolved into a myriad of civilian uses, from delivering packages to capturing breathtaking aerial photography. The technological boom further propelled drones, integrating advanced AI and increasing autonomy. Today, drones are not just gadgets, but pivotal tools in various fields, hinting at even more transformative roles in the future. Drones have evolved from mere concepts to essential tools in our lives, and their journey is far from over. Before we wrap up, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the history and future of technology. If you found today's exploration into the evolution of drones intriguing, show your appreciation with a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with others who revel in unraveling the threads of technological advancements. For regular updates and more deep dives like this, make sure to hit the bell icon to turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with us.